Hello guys, welcome to our channel. For this video, we're going to be opening up a box of Hot Wheels. Tito John Sicat sent this from the US. Now let's check it out. So that's about all of them. Now let's open up some of these cars. There's really a lot of them, so I'll need to continue opening them up later. Next time, me and my dad will make a race video with these cars. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again next time. Bye!